Alrighty, how's it going, guys? So I just wanted to go through a little bit of my game for my second day vlog. So I've basically completed the map so far. Well, I mean, I'm happy with it. I'll probably go through and edit it a little bit more. Um, but the main things I've been working on is just the networking components. So, and the building system. Sorry. So, I'll just launch the game and show you guys the building system as it is now, and then I'll just launch two clients up and show you the networking side of things. So, in order to join the game, you need to put in a name. It can be any name, doesn't matter. You'll see in the top right corner my name. And then next to that it says L0. So basically, that is the level, and your level gets shared across everyone who is joined the instance of the server you're in. So pressing the B key will activate build mode, and you'll find that some areas of the terrain that won't work well with the grid. So I've added a new thing where you can actually change the Y height of the grid by using your scroll wheel up or scroll wheel down. So for example, this is the normal build height, but over here it doesn't work correctly. So if you scroll up, then you can just build some little foundation, and as you can see, it is does place above, like so. So if I was to get a wall component now, it'll be above. So then what you need to do is just reset it, and you can also reset it by going out of build mode and then going back in, and it'll reset all your anything you've done to the grid. So if I like scroll up, and then I forget how many scrolls I do to reset that, I can just press B and B again and it'll reset. Alrighty, so if I want some walls, I can just place them down, and then I press 3 to rotate, 3 again, and 3 again. And then I can put on some flooring above me. I think that placed, there it is. Alrighty, and I can do the same here. So if I want some wall, there we go. There we go. So if I want to place the wall piece on top of this, I need to be looking on the inside wall, and then I click. Another thing to note is when you are in build mode, you can't shoot, because when you are in build mode, you can place. Another thing that has been added is HP to the blocks, although there is no UI yet to display it. I honestly don't think there needs to be, but I mean, if you shoot something enough times, it will be broken. And there's no animations at the moment; it just disappears. Alrighty, so I'll just go ahead and quickly build a copy of this, and I'll show you how the networking holds up. And for those of you wondering, I am using Photon networking. Currently just the free version to test, and then once I go to release, I'll probably end up buying the next package up. Alrighty, so we want 2 instances. Let's see, that might be too big to fit in the screen. I think that'll do. Alright, so actually, no, you know what, it is too big. I'm just gonna make a smaller window. I think I'll keep that one the same size and this one a different size. There we go. Alright, so player 1 can be called Tim. There we go. Just randomly drop in somewhere in the center. And then player 2 can be called Bob. So you can see both the scoreboards update. Currently nothing happens when you do die, but so every time you shoot, you gain XP. So as you can see, the level just was synchronized through the scoreboards, and because the player doesn't die, I can just keep shooting him right now and my level will just go up. Eventually when your health will hit 0, you'll be brought up with a respawn screen. Okay, so you can see that it's all syncing correctly. So yeah, there is a little bit of a weirdness right now with them arms. But other than that, it seems to be working pretty good. Okay, so if I rotate this player around and then go to this one and then go into build mode, so we'll do it here. You can see that building is being synchronized across the network. There we are. Nice, quick, simple base. And then if we go back to this player can destroy the base, and that's synchronized. And then this other player, wait, did I switch? I'm so confused if yeah, I'm pretty sure I did. So yeah, buildings are synchronized as well. It's all fine and dandy. If I wanted to, I can build with this character as well. Can even build on other people's platforms as well. So yeah, that's basically where the game's at right now. Probably got a little bit longer left to make everything in its pre-alpha state, and where I'm happy for people to jump in and test it, but so far it's looking good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next devlog.